This is Mr. Howe with today's lesson on rounding whole numbers. And as always, when I do one of the videos, I like to give you a riddle. So today's riddle is, when does it rain money? At the end of the video, you'll have your answer. So now I want to show you a video of the rounding rap. This is a great tool to help you memorize the steps for rounding, and you can come back and listen to it often.
Ready? Here we go. Wiki. Find the place value. Circle that digit, then move to the right and underline it. 0 through 4. The circle stays the same. But 5 through 9, adding 1 is the game. Now, flex your muscle, just like a hero. Digits to the right, change to 0. All the other numbers stay the same. You're a winner in the rounding game. You got that? Let's do it. One more time, for the little people. Here we go. Find the place value and circle the digit. Move to the right and underline it. 0 through 4, the circle stays the same. But 5 through 9, adding 1 is the game. Now, flex your muscles, just like a hero. Digits to the right, turn into 0. All the other numbers, they stay the same. You're a winner in the rounding game.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and one day maybe you'll get to meet Mr. Aguilar if you can find him. So, the next big question is, why do we round? Well, why do we round? We round for estimation, when an exact answer is not needed. So if you look at the couple here that's grocery shopping, maybe they only have a certain amount of money to shop with. So as they're putting things in that basket, they're going to be thinking to themselves, that jar of peanut butter is $1.79, so we'll count it as $2. And the loaf of bread is $1.19, so we'll count it as $1. And they do that for each item as they go through the store, and it makes it easy for them to keep track and count how much they're spending, so that when they get to the cash register, they haven't overspent. One of the big reasons why students should be good at estimation and rounding is to check for reasonableness. So if you were asked to multiply 28 times 42, you could round the 28 to 30 and the 42 to 40, and multiply 30 times 40 and get 1,200, and then you know that your answer should be somewhere close to 1,200. If it's not, then you need to redo the work. So let's do some practice with rounding. I'm going to take the number 423,978, and I am going to round that number to the thousands place. So the first thing to do is to identify the thousands place, and we're going to circle it, and we're going to underline the number to the right. So we've got the 9, which is between 5 and 9, obviously. So the 3 is going to get 1 more added to it. Remember, that's the game. Add 1 more. So it becomes 424, and you're going to flex your muscle like a hero and add zeros to everything to the right. So 423,978 rounded to the nearest thousand is 424,000. Okay, I'd like you to try this one on your own. So I want you to take 34,497 and round it to the tens place. I'm going to ask you to pause the video, do the work, and then come back and check your work. So on the count of 3, pause the video. 1, 2, 3, pause. Okay, welcome back. So now, let's go ahead and check to see how you did. We have 34,497. We're going to round that to the tens place. So we're going to circle the 9 and underline the 7. So again, we're between 5 and 7, so we're going to add 1 to the 9, but that becomes 10, which means not only does the 9 change, but also the 4 changes to 5. And everything to the right becomes a 0. You can't forget the 34. So 4,497 rounds to 34,500. Okay, I want you to complete your notes now and do the few sample problems. Be ready to go over those in class tomorrow. Are you waiting for the answer to the riddle? So, when does it rain money? When there's change in the weather. Have an awesome evening.